Hey YouTube, it's your girl Icy Simone back with another video. What's up? I know I haven't posted in some days, but I've been working. I am my own boss now. I'm making money in minutes, baby. And if you would love and if you would love to make money in minutes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with as many people as you can, your family, friends, all it. But yeah, we about to get into this bag right now. I will be doing 6 trades tonight, and we will see how that goes. Hey baby. So yes, we are about to look at this market, and this take patience. So if you don't have patience, this is not for you. Okay, so when it tells me to sell, I will click on my IQ page and I will sell. And it is about to tell me to sell. And I know it is, because it is really high. Like super high. Because when it says sales, or I see a green big line, that means that is the best time to get in, for me anyway, as I learn. But I could have took it because I already knew it was going to go down anyway. All the way down. But we will go by my patience and let's see what happens, because it's always a pattern. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna do 3 trades on this video, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so it did say sell on that, but that was on that other one. That was on the other pipe. But let's see. I'm gonna handle it and see what they do on here. That's a straight clear money bag. Money bag. Money bag. Watch me get this money. Watch me get this money. Okay. Watch me get this money. And we are clear, baby. We are clear. Ching ching. Ching ching. Stop playing with her. Let's see what's the next idea. Oh, that's a sell. But that's gonna go straight up. Ooh, that's going down. That's not plan. The stocks is not playing right now. I broke the bank. That's what happened. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and refresh. I don't need see y'all soon. I'm still on. Nope, I need to get back on matter of fact, I ain't even gonna make this video that long. This was the video tonight, y'all. Peace out. As you know, you see me clear one trade. I wasn't trying to make this video this long, so that's within the 1 minute. 1 minute, baby, 1 minute. So yeah, I would love for you to be in your bag and make your bag in minutes like me. So if you about that fast money, real money, living your dream money, subscribe. Come over here with me. Subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. Hit that like button. And go ahead and share with your friends and family. Thank you.